It's back to school time. Why not make this cool design for your kids, or if you're a teacher, you can easily create designs like this, perfect for classroom posters, booklets, and more. I started by finding some funky school-themed fonts and alphabet in Creative Fabrica, and some clip art to match. Then I uploaded them to Studio via the Uploads tab, and started to create a custom word art using the letters. Then I added a subheading using Studio's text tool. This project was a bit more of an experiment, so I searched School in the Backgrounds tab and found this cool cartoon school bus. I clicked to add it as a background, but felt the white was a bit boring. Using the background remover, accessed via the little magic wand icon in the top toolbar, I removed the background from the image so I can then add a second background to my design. I dropped the transparency down a bit to blend it as it felt a bit heavy. Lastly, for some added detail, I dropped in some of the school-themed clip art I found before, as a few extra elements on the side. I thought it was really cool how I shrunk the text down to fit inside the windshield of the bus. Getting started is free, but if you have an all-access subscription to Creative Fabrica, you have access to all of Studio's premium features too.